There is some sort of yellowing. It's likely a pet mess of some sort right here. So we're gonna try to get that stain out. No guarantees. There we go. You can kind of see the yellowing there. We'll see what's going on with that. Then I'm gonna have to kind of move this stuff out of the way. But there is something going on over here, and we'll take a look at it in just a second. I haven't vacuumed yet, and I got no idea what this stuff is. So I can't say we're gonna get it out. I can't say we're gonna get it out, but we're gonna try. But I'm gonna treat these spots. Looks like on camera, looks like somebody tried to get it out possibly. There's yellowing, bleachy looking, something going on there. And I'm wondering if that's kind of bleachy also. I don't know yet, but we're gonna treat it and I'll show you what we're gonna use. And this is spot treatment. And you know, we don't always get these, but yeah, it's pretty bad. So we're gonna treat it and then vacuum, and then we're gonna finish the cleaning. You know, they come with our cleaning. Now, I don't guarantee us getting that because it looks bleachy over there. Discoloration there. Get started. Treat it with some peroxide here. We'll treat it, let it dwell. Give it a good dwell time. Let's see what goes on. Let's see what happens here. Something's going on right over there. See, I'm not gonna be able to get behind there. I'm gonna spray a little bit over there, but I can't get, there's stuff in the way here. There's no way I can. I'm gonna spray there, spray here. Dwell time is key. Will this do it? I don't know. If this line of attack fails, then we have another thing we can do. Add a little bit more pH. And we go with the high alkalinity. Now, we'll lightly agitate this with the brush. Just lightly. See, little brush here. Look. See, it's a square brush. It's a Cibo Duo brush. See. I'm gonna climb back there. I'm not gonna be able to film that because I can't film and do that at the same time, unfortunately. Try to get a little bit over there off camera. You're just gonna look darker just because it's wet, right? Pet stain? I don't know. Is it something more to it? We'll see. Best case scenario, it's just a urine spot. They do have pets. So it's always gonna look a little darker. And this is just 20 volume. We'll see what happens with that. Keep you posted. So you can see it's a little dark there right now, but we're gonna clean it. See, it's a whole lot better. So when that dries up, that's gonna be hardly noticeable. This one, it's kind of, the light doesn't work. I got this lamp here, and unfortunately, so it makes it a little harder for me to see what's going on. This is dark here. I don't see yellowing, so that might be a good thing. It's pre-treated that. Of course, the pre-vacuum now. Got a couple of spots here. So, some ink spots here. I treat that right now. So we'll see. And that, I'm guessing, is a pet spot. I treated that, so it's gonna be a little darker. And now we're gonna pre-spray. So Stay tuned. We got it pre-sprayed. First off, we're gonna use a two-way bonnet. And that's a really good bonnet. It's a gentle scrubbing bonnet. Really good for agitation and cleaning. Really good cleaning bonnet. Gets everything really clean. Very durable bonnet, very underrated bonnet. Yellowing spots. Don't really see it too much now. Must have got it out. Camera doesn't show it. Now obviously we're using this machine because we're in very tight quarters here. As you can see, very tight. One thing bad, this is gonna be a little harder to control on this kind of carpet. I'm gonna need to use two hands to go over there. I'm gonna go back over with two hands. I know it's dark. So far, you can see, got that stain out, still a little damp. We're gonna rake it soon. It's very dark. That, no more yellowing. Right here, we're gonna go with the extraction bonnet. This transferred this spot right here. The big spot that was here earlier, that's gone now. Now, last step with this process is we're gonna rake it. We got the fan on. Everything looks really good. I'll keep you posted. You can see spots are gone. What I'm guessing is a pet stain. That has been eliminated. As you can see, very tight spot to get. See? It's very dark. I don't know how it's going to come out on camera. You can see it's gone. This kind of cleaning, you know, you call another company. So they got all sorts of trick pricing. That little $20 a room stuff that they do, they're not getting that out for 20 bucks. That's not included in your cleaning. We did a low moisture cleaning, pre-vacuumed. We used a pre-spray, which doesn't cost y'all extra. That's included in my price. Had deodorizer, disinfectant, sanitizer, and protector all in one. And you got the pre-treating of the stains and spots for stain removal. That's all included. You got the ink stain removed, the pet spots removed. This yellowing, whatever that was removed. I had to take my time to do it, plus the vacuuming. And it's a very hypoallergenic form of cleaning. Remove the dry soluble soil and water soluble soil, plus the stains that were in the carpet. No, we don't guarantee sanitization and disinfection. Nobody can. There's no way to evaluate that at a client's home. What level of disinfection and sanitization, it's impossible to evaluate. Yes, there is a difference between disinfection and sanitization. Sanitizing, you're not killing viruses, whereas in disinfection, you are claiming that you kill viruses. We're not claiming that on soft surfaces. According to the EPA, OSHA, that cannot be claimed on soft surfaces. It is impossible, and it can't be evaluated at a client's home. You can claim that on hard surfaces, but not soft surfaces. So all those companies that say that they do that, they're either not being truthful or they're just being negligent. There we go. BLM, simple products, lots of effort, simple machine to get the carpets cleaned and remove stains and spots. Thank you for watching and have a great day.